Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I wanted to touch upon the terminology, what's called the buzzwords, whatever you want to call them. It's called clickbait, and it's something I've been thinking about a lot more since I've created my own channel and how I wanted to utilize it and how I wanted my headlines to convey to people who would potentially click on my information in my videos. So I've been more conscious, I guess, of the fact of other people doing it. I think you can do it the correct way and you can do it the scummy way. And I just wanted to touch upon these again. I was kind of up in the thinking about where I should put this. Should I put this in quick tips? Should I put this in reviews? In which video list playlist I should put this in? But I'm just going to do this as a quick tip to the fact that this is something you should be conscious of as well as you build your YouTube channel. Again, the word that I use continuously, and I just made a video about it, is called integrity. Please be truthful in the information that you're trying to convey. Don't just put stuff in your headlines or in your descriptions just to have people click on it that has no truthful relevance. And I'm going to discuss some YouTube channels here. So here, let's start with my channel to start with. Okay. And so these are my headlines, and I try to get right to the point of what I want to convey, what the video is. How to is are good words to use for people to find your content in searches, because everyone always puts in how to do this, how to fix your lawnmower, how to fix your garbage disposal. So I put how to in. Another trick which I want to use, and I'll use Emergency Awesome. Sure, I'll bring him up now. He does a lot of top 10s, top 5s. Those are really good words to use for search, for SEO, search engine optimization for people. Because always people put in what are the top 10 products, or what are the top 5 this or that. And he does top 10 for things that are near and dear to my heart, which is like comic book movies and Star Wars and stuff like this. So I want to spot his YouTube channel as a positive in how to use headlines beautifully, which he does. They're not clickbaity at all. They tell you exactly the video that he's made and he's created. I love Emergency Awesome. I watch him almost on a daily basis whenever he releases a new video. I think he does perfect in his content. I think he does perfect as to what he's going to convey in his videos. Other one that does really, really awesome, someone that I love and watch consistently. He's got more of my sensibility, is the fact he just tells it like it is and doesn't give a shit what people think. And his headlines convey that perfectly. Why the Hobbit sucks. So he basically goes in and tells you why the Hobbit sucks. And I know exactly what I'm getting when I'm watching his videos. I don't think the Hobbit sucks personally, but I certainly I get a kick out of him, and I love his channel. So that's another great channel. I'm going to put all these channels in the description, even if I don't like them or do like them. I want you to go and check them out for yourself. This is a big one that I used to cover, and this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, is to the fact these are all clickbaity headlines. They are kind of they're not realistic into the fact they're not very truthful. And I'm trying to find specifics here. Like Don Lemon, he'll bring up Don Lemon a lot, and he'll have other clickbaity videos that say Don Lemon is done, CNN's finished, and none of that's ever true. CNN's not going anywhere. He is a rightist leaning, he does rightist leaning opinions. I don't dislike his channel to the fact that he's right leaning, because I'm right leaning. So it has nothing to do with that. And I used to follow him, and I used to enjoy his videos, and then they just got old into the fact they were all clickbaity, and what he says in his videos isn't 100% true. All right, he has a right to his opinions. That's fine, but this is all clickbaity garbage, in my opinion. It's just like the nightly news, which is left-leaning, in my opinion. Just the way it's written, and as a writer, I can point these things out and see these things. Just how they dramatize everything, and it's just insane. Sometimes I don't watch the evening news, and I don't go to this particular YouTube channel anymore. And the reason they do that, the Nightly News does that, this particular YouTube website does that, is for people to click on their videos, right? They get money every time you click on a video and watch their video. The Nightly News, they get advertising dollars if they scare the shit out of you. More people, more eyes on the channel, on the news, more revenue. So I don't know. It's kind of sketchy. It's kind of scummy to me, and that's why I don't particularly care or watch this channel anymore. It's not for me. That's my opinion. All right. Same thing with the quartering. This guy's kind of right leaning as well. And it's just clickbaity stuff because you can see his thumbnails are right. It's two different channels and they both pretty much use the same playbook. This guy I didn't watch too long. I think it was only a couple weeks. And this is just recently where I don't know. He's just his headlines are not truthful to the content that he conveys, and they're clickbaity. And he does it to the fact because he makes money off each time people go into them and view them, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Obviously, that's what we're building YouTube channels for. It's just it's sketchy. It's very sketchy to me. Let's go to Frank Hatchett, who I absolutely love. Frank Hatchett is a marketer, and that's what I'm trying to be. He's what I would love to excel to be. And yeah, absolutely. He does clickbaity headlines, but he doesn't. The difference between him and this is that he's actually showing you what the headline conveys. And these aren't 100% truthful to what's on the headline, to what's actually happening in the real world. Clickbait is just to get you to click on the damn channel or the damn article or anything. They'll do anything. They'll put anything in the description for you to click on it. And it drives me nuts. And it drives me crazy. And that's why I can't handle these two channels. I do agree with a lot of their views just because all three of us lean the same way. I'm probably more in the middle, and this isn't a political freaking video by any stretch of the imagination. These are just channels that I happen to be watching, and these are the examples I'm using. And if you get anything out of this video, it's don't be clickbaity. Be truthful in your headlines. Don't just put anything in there just to get people to click on them. It lacks integrity and it's scummy, and just don't do that. At the end of the day, the almighty dollar is not the most important thing. And if you think it is, then you have other issues you need to address because it's not. All right, guys and gals, this is just my opinion. It's a video I've been wanting to make for a long time. I'm not 100% sure I'm getting out everything that I wanted to put into this video, but these are my beliefs, these are my thoughts, and I just wanted to get them out public on my own channel. And that's what I did. All right, guys and gals, if you like me and you think I have integrity, and if you think I'm not all clickbaity, please subscribe, share, like the video below, and certainly comment if you watch these channels or any other channels. Certainly shoot me examples. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm right. You know, hopefully these creators will. I mean, I'm a little fish. They're big. They have a big following in every single channel that I've spotlighted. So maybe they'll catch on to this and they'll have an opinion for me in the comment, which I certainly welcome. All right, guys and gals, hit the little bell below if you want to see my updates. And I'm going to go make some other content now and get some more coffee as usual. So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.